Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back once again in our channel. This is Arnav from Tech Episodes, and in our today's video, I'm gonna show you 5 amazing Instagram tricks which you have to try if you are a Instagram user. So let's go and check them out. So the first trick in our bucket will help you to back up the whole Instagram data since you have started using your Instagram account. So by this you can actually back up all the images, all the videos you uploaded in the Instagram, the chats you did with every person in Instagram. You can back up everything. So for that, let's go to the Instagram and then go to your account. So once you are here, then click on this sandwich icon, tap on this, and here you will see the settings option. So go to your settings, then from here make sure you click on this security. Once you're there, here you'll see a download data option. So tap on this download data, and then you have to give your backup email of your Instagram. So then just tap on this request download. Then obviously you have to give your password. This is for the security purpose. So after filling the password, just tap on this done. Now once you have complete this process, just go back to your email and check you. So now let's wait for some time and we'll receive the email. So guys, after waiting for 2 minutes, here I have received the email for Instagram. Guys, it can take a little bit time, so don't be impatient, but for sure you are gonna receive email from Instagram. You can see here is the file you requested with the information about your account, Tech Episodes. So just tap on this download information and select the browser, Instagram information. You can see the link. Just tap on the download information. You can see downloading file. So to open this file, let's tap on the open. So the zip file is downloaded, just move it to any folder you want. So for me, I am keeping it in my phone storage. So then I have made a folder here named Tech Episodes. So here I have kept my zip in the Tech Episode, this folder. So I have unzipped it. Then once after unzipping, here you can see 30 items. Just tap on this folder. Here you can see different types of data. Lots of folders are here. So if you want to check the messages, so go to the messages, and here you can see chats.html. Let's open this. Let's tap on this Chrome. So you can see the whole chat that I have done with Amit. You can see the emojis I have shared, the messages, all of these stuffs you can get from this folder. That is a great way to back up your chat, all the Instagram data with the help of this simple trick. Now let's jump to the next trick. The second trick, guys, this trick is going to be very helpful for those Instagram users who use their Instagram professionally. Maybe they can be big content creators. So if they want to schedule their post while they can be busy at some time, but they want their particular post related to some particular topic, so they can schedule such posts. So how you can do this? For this, you need to go to your browser in your phone. Then you need to visit a link called business.facebook.com/creator studio. So here is the link, guys. Don't do mistake on typing this link. So once you are in this link, you will see two icons on the top. One is for Facebook and another is for Instagram. So click on this Instagram icon. So once you have clicked on that, then what you need to do, here you can see Facebook login. Just tap on this. Okay. So once you have tap on this, choose the option. So here again, choose your browser, and then you will need to log in to your Instagram account. So here you can see I have successfully logged in my Instagram account. So once you are logged in, you will need to go back to that link again, which is business.facebook.com/creator studio. So once you are there, here you will see a page like this. Here you will see a page like this, and just zoom there. You can see my channel name, Tech Episodes. That's our Instagram account. So you can obviously follow there. And here you can see the create post. Tap on this and let's select any option, Instagram feed. And now here you can upload any post. This is very normal, like you upload any normal post. Just type here any caption. Then what you need to do, you can add location, you can add emojis, anything. Then here you'll see a small option like add content. Tap on this and from file upload. So now you can actually upload any file from your phone. Okay, so I'm gonna upload some files here. So let's say I'm clicking this. I want to upload this image. Okay, so once you have selected the image, what you need to do is, so just scroll down, and here you'll see on the right bottom corner, here you will see a small icon. You can see this publish, and just behind it here you'll see a drop down. So this is the game changer, guys. Here once you click this, you will get an option to schedule. So just tap on the schedule, and from here you can set your time accordingly whenever you want that post to be uploaded. You just need to set the time and tap on the publish, and your post will be published at that time. Now let's move to the third trick. So guys, these days people are following lots of celebrities, superstars like football players, cricket players, big Instagrammers, YouTubers. So guys, I want to ask you something. Have you guys ever think that the Instagram name which you currently see in their Instagram account, is that their first Instagram name? So to check it out, this trick is gonna help you very much. So for that, go to the Instagram, and now what I'm gonna do, you just need to search any Instagram account. The Instagram account needs to be a little bit popular, then Instagram will give you that feature to check that. Okay, so for that, what you need to do, search here for account, let's say Moovlogs. Okay, so if you don't know, Moovlogs are very famous vloggers. They got millions of followers. Even on the Instagram, they got 3.9 million followers. So if you want to know that this name is your first and last name or not, if maybe they can have different name some time ago. So for this, you just need to tap on this three dot. Okay, then go to this about this account. Then you can see former usernames. This is the so here you need to tap on this option. There you can find their names. So on July 3rd 2019, their account name was mo_vlogs_. So later they changed their name to Moovlogs. So I'm gonna show you another account. So like here is another. So here is another very famous vlogger from India, Ankit Bhatia Films. Okay, so this guy make travel vlogs, and they are really cool. So again, go to the about this account and go to the former username. So you can see Ankit Bhatia has changed their names thrice actually. So in 2017 it was this, 2018 it was a little bit changed, and now it is Ankit Bhatia Films. So guys, like this, you can actually check on your favorite influencer or Instagrammer, and you can actually find this data about them. So guys, that was the third trick. Now I'm going to show you how you can download a reel from Instagram without help of any application or any website. That's going to be our fourth trick. So let me show you. So for this, let's go to the Instagram again, and I'm going to open. So let's go to the reel section, and you can see if you want to download this reel, what you need to do is you need to tap on this triangle icon. Just tap on this. Okay, and here then you need to do this add reel to your story. So once you are here, you just need to resize your reel accordingly. Then you'll here on the top you can see a download icon, right? Just tap on this, processing, and the reels will be downloaded very soon. So you can see video saved. Now I'm going to show you actually the reel is downloaded. Let's go to my gallery, and okay. So guys, here you can see the reel is downloaded. Okay, like this guys, you can download any reel from Instagram very easily without help of any website or any third-party application. So guys, I'm sure this trick is going to be very useful for every Instagram out there. So make sure you like this video if you like this trick. Now guys, time to show you the last trick in our top 5 amazing Instagram tricks. So let's go and check it out. So guys, this is our last trick of this video. Guys, if you're an Instagram user and you often get confused while posting let's say an image or video in Instagram while you are selecting hashtags for them, so in that case this app can really help you. So this app name is Tagify. This Tagify app can actually give you so many cool hashtags. So if you select the hashtags from this Tagify app and you start using the hashtags in your post has really a good chance to reach to a bigger audience. So here, let's say I'm gonna search here for a topic. So I want to post something related to traveling. So just after I have typed the traveling word, I need to just do a space and it will be selected as a tag. Then tap on this generate option. So this app will obviously take few seconds to analyze your tag and to fetch the best hashtags for you. So once the fetching is done, here you can see lots of hashtags with some medium and hard tags, right? So easier, so some tags are easy. So you can see one thing in common, that the app is showing how many times this hashtag is used in how many posts. So you can see hard, that's why it is 2.9 million posts has used this hashtag called travel. Instagram. Okay, so if you do not have that many followers in Instagram, I'll suggest you to try to take the low competition hashtags from this app like this. So just tap on them and these hashtags will be selected. So that's up to you. You can select any kind of hashtags from here. Once you have selected all the hashtags, just tap on this arrow, and here you'll see the hashtags which you have just choose. Then tap on the copy. Once it is copied to clipboard, you're smart enough, right guys? You just need to go to the Instagram account and right below your post just paste all these hashtags. So like this app can make your job really easy. So guys, this is it for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in our next video soon. Till then, stay tuned and have a great day.